Hi everyone, Peter from Childwall Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making this bird kite, and it really does work. So you're going to start off by getting your pieces together. You need the card from your pack, a long string, and then you're also going to need some felt tip pens, scissors, stapler and some Pritt stick. What you're going to start off by doing is fold it in half. Crease the edge nicely, there you go. Then you're going to fold back these. These are going to make your wings. So fold one back there and hold it. And then fold that one back and hold it. And then you're going to use the stapler. Just put a couple in there to staple them together. So your next step is you're going to cut out a beak and some feathers for the tail. So I'm just going to do a nice pointy beak. Make sure you do it quite long because you've got to stick it in there, you see. So you need about that much leftovers, you can stick it in. So a beak, and then we're also going to do some feathers as well. So I'm just going to fold a bit, cut that off, and fold this into three. I can get 3 feathers then that are all the same when I cut them out. There we go. There's my 3. And what you're going to do next is you're going to put some Pritt stick, some glue on your beak. Try and do it both sides, but it's not massively important. And you're going to stick it in there. Press that in. And you're going to do the same for the back. Except you're going to layer them up first. And then same again. Stick them in there. That's my feathers. And then your next step, cover that up. You're going to ask a grown-up, because this is a bit tricky and a bit dangerous, you're going to ask a grown-up to put a hole sort of roughly in the middle and then just poke that through. And you're going to get your string, feed that through. And then I'm going to put some eyes on it too. So you can get a bit more fancy. So you can do some patterns on it, you can colour more stuff in. Colour under the wings so when it flies it looks really cool. There's loads of stuff you can do. And then when you're flying, it's just like a normal kite. Just pull it along with the string and it'll fly up in the air. And you're all done.